OpenAI has unveiled Sora, an AI video model showcasing impressive capabilities in converting text prompt into realistic video sequences. The quality of the generated content has garnered praise for its highly detailed scenes, complex camera motion, and vibrant characters' emotion, raising speculation about its potential to revolutionize filmmaking. However, concern about potential misuse and ethical implications have prompted rigorous testing by experts from various fields, including misinformation and bias. Despite the anticipation, no release date has been announced for Sora. I guess it's actually game over for Hollywood. Unless Intel is set to release the Core i9-14900KS CPU in mid-March. Touted as the world's first CPU to surpass 6 GHz, catering to enthusiasts with its high-performance capabilities. However, early reports indicate concerns about power consumption, reaching nearly 410 watts and temperatures exceeding 100 Celsius degree, posing challenges for cooling and stability. Despite its limited edition status, the Core i9-14900KS promises significant performance gains, but might require adequate cooling to harness its full potential. So more power, and I guess you can cook bacon on your CPU? NVIDIA has surged ahead in market value, surpassing tech giants like Amazon and Alphabet to become the fourth most valuable company globally, driven by its dominant position in the AI chip race. With its H100 chip powering a multitude of leading AI projects, including those from industry giants like Microsoft, Meta, and Amazon, NVIDIA stock is now valued at an impressive 1.83 trillion, as reported by Bloomberg. AI is really everywhere, huh? Apple fans have begun returning their Vision Pro headset, priced at $3,500, citing comfort, headaches, and eye strain as top concern. Additionally, users expressed disappointment with the device's perceived lack of productivity compared to its high price point. Many individuals planning to return the device have expressed interest in trying a second-generation Vision Pro, while others emphasize that the technology itself isn't the primary concern. Rather, is the absence of a compelling application or discomfort that detracts from the overall experience. Seems like not everyone wants to buy that Apple. And that's all for all the tech news this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. See ya!